Attorney believes Chattanooga Police Department's new traffic policy will lead to more lawsuits.
Now, this new policy will allow police officers to focus more on crime instead of what they call minor car crashes. But what are the repercussions? Dallas Payton has that story.
David, Cindy, attorneys for Warren and Griffin thinks it's going to lead to a lot of unanswered questions at the scene of minor car crashes.
As a trial lawyer that has been doing this for 33 years, what I see is you're going to see an uptick in lawsuits now because of this rule, an uptick in insurance companies having to pay their lawyer because of lawsuits because of this rule, which will result in an increased premium for everybody. Yeah.
From November 2021 until October 2022, Chattanooga Police said there were 13,000 car accidents that didn't fall under the 8 reasons of why an officer would respond to the scene of a crash. Attorney C. Mark Warren says that's 13,000 Hamilton County citizens that could be plaintiffs in a lawsuit.
It's just going to result in more lawsuits being filed so someone can get their car fixed, so someone can get their medical bills paid, because they will lack the information that an investigating officer is going to give to the drivers in an accident.
Attorney John Griffin believes having an officer on the scene, regardless of the severity, makes life easier.
One of the things that the police officers do that is very helpful in these cases is he is asking these people what happened in real time, right after the accident. They are much more likely to give an honest, immediate response as, you know, I had a red light and I ran it, as opposed to going home, thinking about it, talking to a relative, talking to their insurance company, like, well, you know, maybe that light was yellow.
Griffin says drivers involved in an accident may find themselves in a situation where an individual may not give up their driver license or insurance information.
Maybe because I don't have one. I don't want to call the police officers because there's a warrant out for my arrest. So you can see how this breaks down to where people are just going to leave the scene of the accident. So it's a potential to create some problems. We hope it doesn't, but there's a potential that it is.
In Knoxville, this new traffic policy has been going on for over a year now. Warren says he's spoken with attorneys there and was told that they are seeing an increase in lawsuits. I reached out to Knoxville PD, several insurance agencies, and personal injury attorneys. I was told that they haven't seen an increase in insurance rates or lawsuits. Cindy?